Hello. Can I have your name?
Hi, I'm Tanishri Nayak. I'm working as a software engineer, senior software engineer in my firm. And it involves a lot of sedentary lifestyle. And the problem I was facing is actually one morning I was woke up, I was having a little neck pain. The pain was shooting down my back actually, to my shoulder blade. And it started off as a very dull ache, and it progressed into a very acute pain by the time I reached Dr. Sarkison's clinic. I had in the past a year back and had come down with a similar kind of pain when I had to rush into emergency at 3 in the morning, and I was given a painkiller shot, a relaxant shot for that. And I was advised for some physiotherapy for some days, and after that I was on some painkiller medication and some muscle relaxant ointments and all. But it was giving me no relief at that point of time.
How long was this?
It was just for 2-3 days that I had this pain. At that time I met one of my relatives who suggested me to come over to Dr. Sarkison's clinic at that point of time. And I was not sure at that point of time what would help me, but I think it was the right decision for me to come at that point here, because I was ready to try anything, and I just didn't want to go in for some invasive surgery or anything, because the doctor had told me like it's a kind of it might progress into a back pain. For now it is just swelling towards the neck area and severe muscle spasm. But this time when I had, after a year and a half around now, when I had it became very severe. I was breathless, I started feeling giddy, and by the time I was in the clinic I was almost like passing out. And that time Dr. Sarkison, he just gave me some acupressure at that point of time, and he traced the pain to my neck, and he suggested me to go for an MRI scan, because he had suggested that it's a compression in the neck somewhere. And I had gone in for an MRI scan immediately on that day itself, and I come back with the reports, and it came up with the positive test, slip test in the cervical region, and one of there is slip test in one, and the disc was herniated in one, C4, C5, C5, C6, there's an enlargement. So he had suggested me to go in for 2 weeks comprehensive acupressure therapy, where he will be compressing his thumb. And I'm very happy that I came at the right place at the right time, and I think within 5 days I had tremendous improvement in my pain. I had hardly taken 2 painkillers during that time, and I didn't need to take more, any muscle relaxant injections or anything. And it was a painless, absolutely painless method, because I remember the first time when I had that muscle relaxant shot at night in the emergency, it had that pain had lasted more than the neck pain during that day. And this time it was pretty nice that the doctor had taken me into a lot of confidence. He explained the problem that I was having, and how he would be correcting it, and he had taken me into confidence. And because of my previous experience, I had a lot of faith that this would go through. And today I am feeling almost like 70% there is 70% relief in my condition. Otherwise I wouldn't even move my neck and body together. I used to move, it used to pain a lot, and I couldn't get up after I lie down. Even if my husband was trying to support me while getting up, it was very painful in the neck area. And my right hand, I couldn't apply pressure with my right hand for a lot of things. And I had an 8-month-old baby at home, and I couldn't pick the baby up also with that condition. But in 5 days, there was a lot of improvement. Pain relief was considerable. And the situation has improved much now, because I can do my routine activities now much better.
So is it been about 2 weeks now that you've come here?
Yeah, it's about 2 weeks.
So you would say the percentage from 70 has moved up, or?
Yeah, 70% till now, and I think the doctor has also said that, like, okay, there are some precautions also which I might have to take, but with the acupressure treatment, I have got currently, I know that I might have some follow-ups now, but I'm sure that it will be 80 to 90% in the coming days.
Sure. And I believe you wouldn't think about a surgery now. I mean, if this is usually ends up with a surgery, and especially in the neck area region of the spine, is a very tender and
Right.
it is very what is it? Yes, of course. So you come over it, and you don't think it's an option to say.
Yeah, definitely no.
And what do you think about acupressure as a whole now after meeting of
I mean, it's a very holistic approach. Definitely when your physical issue is taken care, mentally you feel very positive. And yeah, and any issue it is, with your body, a backache or neck pain, it is very, it's very difficult to carry.
The mobility of a human body is not consistent. I mean,
Right.
you just can't think about anything else.
It's the most important part because most of our activities are channelized because of our spinal cord. And definitely acupressure is alternative and a holistic approach. We should keep faith in it and we should have a positive attitude.
Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much.